This is a trip we had to Whistler.
Andrew Miller still remembers their last conversation with their father before he died.
He was struggling to even to breathe.
61-year-old Ken Miller wasn't vaccinated against COVID-19 and died after a month-long fight with the virus.
But he wanted to tell me that he was so sorry and that he had no idea. And he repeated that over and over again. And then he basically told me he loved me.
Miller was among the 27 intensive care patients moved to Ontario from Saskatchewan to alleviate pressure on the province's healthcare system from COVID-19. But his family says Saskatchewan was unprepared and unhelpful. Miller says it took 5 days for their father's body to be sent back home, and only after a funeral home stepped in.
Yeah, the funeral home, from what we can see, did more to bring my dad home than the government did, and the government was who sent us out to Toronto.
This week, Saskatchewan's Ministry of Health apologized to the family.
It's extremely unfortunate if there's somebody that's been delayed 5 days.
Miller's transfer to Ontario happened because Saskatchewan's ICUs were overwhelmed by the fourth wave. Now, the situation has improved, but experts say the province is not out of the woods just yet.
I hear from my colleagues in Saskatoon, Regina, other parts of the province that there are patients coming in every day into the emergency departments that are being directly admitted into the ICUs, directly admitted to the hospitals.
As for Andrew Miller, with their father put to rest, they hope others will get vaccinated to avoid losing their lives or the life of a loved one. Omaira Isa, CBC News, Regina.